Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Bitget to GCash. Alright, so first up, open up your Bitget exchange app. Now go ahead over to your assets. Now just go ahead and tap on either your spot, futures, or margin account. Okay, so what you're going to do is just tap on withdraw right here. Now tap on sell crypto. Okay, it says here instantly sell cryptocurrencies for fiat. So tap on it. Now, for example, you'd like to sell what? USDT, Bitcoin, Doge, it's up to you. Okay, so receiving right here, select the currency. So what currencies supports GCash? Well, mainly PHP. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and find PHP right here. Now receive with what? Tap on the drop down, tap on the drop down once more. Now go ahead and find the GCash e-wallet right here, e-wallet GCash. So for one USDT, it costs 58.45. Okay, so confirm, enter the amount of USDT, for example, 50 USDT, add new account. If you haven't done yet, okay, just basically follow simple prompts where it needs you to enter your GCash phone number. Okay, and after that, just wait for it to reflect to your GCash account. That's basically that. And by the way, you could also use P2P. Okay, open up Bitget Exchange and just go ahead over to home right here, find more, or the more section. Now tap on P2P. Instead of buying, well, tap on sell. Select the coin. Select the currency, of course, PHP. Now the method right here, just go ahead and find GCash. Okay, so you can see your e-wallet GCash is available as well. Now here we have some buyers that are willing to pay with a GCash. So the highest offer is mainly at the top. So just go ahead and find one, tap on sell. Select the payment method once more, and again, find GCash. Okay. Now enter your GCash number, hit on confirm, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. And that is how you withdraw Bitget to GCash. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.